from the Valley Oak Center for Enriched Studies, also known as VOCES. My name is Tessa, and I'm going to show you what makes VOCES such a game changer for all members of our community. Follow me. VOCES is part of LAUSD's Community Schools program, which focuses on providing resources for families, such as fresh food from our community garden, local partnerships, and hands-on experiences. Students can explore different career pathways, such as cooking in our culinary department. Wow, delicious. Or my personal favorite, the Film Academy. From brainstorming ideas, to writing scripts, to filming, editing, and screening at our on-campus movie theater. From our ADR labs to our green screen room, students here get all the resources they need to make their visions come to life. Here, we don't just learn about film, we actually create it. From daily hands-on experiences with state-of-the-art equipment, to opportunities to work on Hollywood sets, and even form connections with industry professionals, this school turns dreams into goals. This school is such a special place because it provides valuable, life-changing experiences, not just for students, but the entire community. Families can get help, locals have a voice, and sixth graders can graduate with up to 7 years of career experience. When I came here as a freshman, I felt lost. I didn't know what I was passionate about. But the people here at VOCES reminded me of my worth. It gave me the tools I needed to build my future and become the confident, involved leader and creator I am today. At VOCES, we don't just learn in a classroom. We find our voices and develop real-world skills to tell stories the world can see and hear.